Welcome back to the TrickShift Garage YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you real quick how to install a front bumper on a 2007 to 2012 Nissan Altima. It's not very hard at all. There's just some screws, maybe a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws, and like about 10 or 11 clips. So not bad at all. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's real quick and simple. Let's get started. Alright, so very carefully, there we go. Gonna put it in, hopefully without breaking anything. That's good. And you gotta just make sure these holes here, this thing is above your radiator support. And down here, make sure all that is good. Right here. Push. Push in. And right here. Alright, so now we gotta go ahead and put our screw in. Like so. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put the splash shield on. This is on the driver's side. And once we get the splash shield in, we just line up the holes and then we put our screw in. And we just screw it in nice and snug. I had lost this one, but it's okay. You really don't need all three. I mean, 2 should be enough. So here, I lost this piece on this one, if you can see right there. So I can't really screw that one. I gotta get another one, but it's not a big deal. As long as you got 2, I think you'll be fine. So we'll just do the same thing here. Tighten it in there. So I'm gonna push in the bumper. Make sure you have the splash shield up inside the bumper, and then you'll take your Phillips screwdriver and your screw, line it up, and you'll feel it catch and grab, and just snug it in. So go ahead, put that screw in. Okay. So these 2 screws are fine. I'll get another screw for that one eventually, but it should hold fine. So that will have like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 that go across the front bumper lip, and then we should be done. So at this point, all we got to do is put the 5 clips in, and that will hold it in place for good. There. And then we'll just go down the line. Push in, and that locks it in. There, and back down here. Let's try this one. Oh, as long as it just stays there. Oh yeah, that's good. So then you can just look through, make sure everything is good, and everything's in tight. Everything good to go. That's it as far as this video is concerned. The bumper is back on. You're good to go. Oh, click like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next one.